How to draw Valentine's Day flowers. We are going to start by drawing our first rose. To begin, we will draw a backward C-like shape. Then from the bottom of that, we are going to draw a curved line going up and around the C-like shape. Next, we're going to go back down to the C-like shape and extend it a little bit. Then we're going to draw a curved line going up and around, connecting to the top of the second curved line we drew. Awesome job! That will be the center of our rose. Now we are going to draw a rose petal. We are going to draw many rose petals, so I will pause in between each one so that you could see where I drew mine. Now we are going to draw the second rose petal towards the right of the center. Then we will draw another one at the bottom. And another one on the top. Great job! We're all done with our first rose. Now we are going to draw some more roses the same way that we just drew the first one. As I draw the rest of the roses, I will pause in between the steps so that you could follow along, but they will be drawn the same way as the first one. Also, if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Looks awesome! Learn how to draw hub crew. Now we are going to draw the third rose. Looks awesome! Now we are going to draw the fourth rose. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we are going to draw our final rose. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, our roses look awesome. I'm only going to draw 5 roses, but if you would like to draw more, then feel free to pause the video and draw some more roses on your drawing. The next step will be to add some leaves on our roses. We will draw each leaf by drawing 2 curved lines that come to a point. You can draw your leaves where I draw mine, or you could draw them wherever you would like. Looks awesome, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Our drawings are coming along well. The next step will be to draw the wrapping on our bouquet. For this, we will draw a wavy line going around the bottom half of our roses. Great job! Now from each side of that wavy line, we are going to draw a curved line going downwards towards the middle. Then in the middle in this space, we are going to draw a bow that will hold our wrapping and roses together. We will start by drawing a circle. Then on each side of this circle, we are going to draw a sideways heart shape. Great job! Now to finish the top of the bow, we will draw a small long oval shape at the top of this heart shape. We will do this on the other side as well. Now we're going to connect the top of our wrapping to the bow. Next, we are going to draw the bottom strings on our bow. We will start at the circle and draw a curved line going downwards. Then to the left of that line, we are going to draw another curved line coming downwards from the bow. To connect these two lines, we are going to draw an upside down V-like shape. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw the same thing on the right side. To draw the bottom part of our wrapping, we are going to draw a line coming downwards from both sides of the ribbon that connects at the bottom with a zigzag line. Then lastly, at the bottom of that wrapping, we are going to draw a few small rectangle shapes for the stems of our roses. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawings came out awesome and I can't wait to see them, so make sure to share on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub. Also, if this video helped you out, give it a big like below and stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.